Folks, welcome back again. Margot,
Yes.
taking the marker here. What do you want me to draw today?
A lamb.
A lamb. Oh, okay.
A cool lamb.
Okay. No, the lamb it's already called. If you say lamb, it's the little sheep. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
So as usual, let's do it like a supersized head, and we can have, I don't know, something like circular shape, like yes, like this, and we can go immediately with its ears like that, and the other one like that. Oh, that's well. And we have a little bit of, curved lines, random curved lines for doing the wool. Okay, that's cool. Then, let's make the wool like he has curly hair. Again here, just random. Don't worry about the size and the shape. Everything will be absolutely cute. Okay, and then we have the body. Now the body has to be wool as well. So let's say that we are doing something like a little body here. So let's do it quickly, so we don't think too much to the shape. Okay, and here. Okay, that's cool. And now we have to do some cute legs, like it could be here. Here, and then we have one here, and the last one, let's see here, and we can do, like it has socks, because they actually have the end of the legs. It's kind of darker. We can have the usual shadow. Yes, and then the last thing missing, it's obviously the face. The face can be, we have in the center, we have a sort of a V for doing the nose, and then we can have the mouth there, and now two little eyes, one in here, one in here. Yeah, that's cute. And just a little in there, and we can just put a little bit of wool here and there, just to show that it's all made of wool. And the last thing, imagine what it's missing, Margot. Cheeks, that's correct. Okay, let's have it one here, and the other one will be here. Okay, and we color them. Let's do have them ready. Yes. And one thing that I want to do differently from the usual drawing that we do, I want to give him or her, whatever it is, big eyebrows, like square.
Why do you always do them big?
Don't know.
Okay, he looks like a grandfather.
a ground lamb. So, what do you think?
Good.
Good. Okay, we can take it as it is right now.
Daddy,
Yes. drawing. Yeah.
you're doing. After, can I show them what I was doing?
No, you can show it now if you want.
Yes.
Look at her. This is what Margot does while we are doing our drawing.
The reason why he has so many arms is because he's waving and shaking.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Margot.
You're welcome.
Thanks, people, for watching this one as well. And see you next time. Bye-bye.